Here's how you can repair the edge of a damaged surface using some clear packing tape and the HIMG Clear Light Cure Acrylic Repair Kit. First, we'll start with creating our retaining wall using the clear packing tape. You'll want to create a long length of tape and a shorter length and sandwich them together in the middle, sticky sides facing one another. This creates a middle section that's not sticky and can go right up against your damage. Place the tape flush against the side of your surface. Now that our wall is built, you can take your syringe of clear LCA, swap out the tips, and begin to fill in the damage. As you can see here, our packing tape retaining wall is helping to keep all the material in place without any coming outside the area of damage. Take your time slowly filling in the damage, trying not to overfill the area. One of the benefits of LCA is that it will not begin curing until you put the light provided on top of it. Next, we'll want to smooth the material on top. For a damage this large, you'll want to create your own curing strip using one more piece of packing tape. Sticking the packing tape non-sticky side down on top of your damage and using the wooden applicator tool that's included to smooth it out. This will act as your curing strip. Once it's all smooth, place the provided light on top of the damage and let it cure for 5 to 7 minutes or until hardened. Use the wooden tool to ensure that the LCA has set, finish with the provided sandpaper and polish, and you're done. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on how you can fix your countertops, sinks, and other home surfaces. And check out our repair kits over on our website. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't replace, repair.